Okay. Yes, let's get straight into it. So, we are officially in September and it's time for the weekly analysis for week 36 of 52. So, time is moving fast. So, we'll start with going into the monthly time frame, and as always we'll get straight into the DXY. So let's see what we can expect. So DXY is, as I said, currently looking more bearish. I'm still bearish on DXY until price comes to the weekly BC. So this is our range. We are currently going sideways. We do have some sell side liquidity resting below here and possibly this one too, and we do have these highs too, which could be used as an external liquidity or buy side liquidity. So we do have the range from this low to this high, and all of this is internal liquidity. Now we need to specify or understand where price could potentially want to go, and see what price could potentially do, right? So this is the monthly candle, and it closed like this. So we can see that we did not close below this week on the monthly, but we did close below this weekly BC, which still is a bearish indication. So this is the monthly. So we did anticipate bearishness once we let's go down to weekly to understand. So once we understood that we were bearish once we did not respect or disrespect, this weekly BC, and we created instead a weekly CB which overlapped to this level, and we did close. So we understood that price could potentially want to go to this level. So we have taken out this low. I would like to see price now perhaps come back to this weekly BC, maybe use it as some kind of inverse fair value gap, so price could come up, get this respect this level, and then continue to go down, right? So that is very much a possibility that I would like to see price do. But if price were to go up and just explode up, I would definitely use this level as some kind of support. So we could either use this to go down further, or we could push above, use it as some kind of support, and then continuation. Then this is still my level that I would like to see price perhaps see some kind of rejection from, to then continue to the upwards. We need to see if we can get the rejection to go further down, or maybe see if we can create a higher low. We need to see. So on the daily, on the DXY, nothing much. We are still in this zone. So if price were to break above here and close above, this could be our high lower high, break a structure, higher high to make a lower high, higher low to keep going up. If we were to come back to this weekly BC, weekly CB, I mean. So we are still in this daily bearish, daily bearish structure. If price were to take out these highs, we could see a rejection to the downside. Okay, so I would like to see how price behaves in this area. If we start to see bearish structure, then we can understand the price is ready to go down. Bearish structure. Okay, so that's DXY. We need, if we go to euro, we do have external here. This is our, if we go down to monthly, so on the monthly we are bearish. We are still in a bearish structure on the monthly, so we are in a, from this high, let's mark it up to this low. We are in a bearish leg, right? And now we're just retracing. That's the word that I've been looking for the last couple of videos, retracing. But yeah, so price is retracing to a, let's see, so we are now in a premium, and we need to see how, how price behaves now, because it's very important to understand where we are in this higher time frame leg and where we are in this leg. So on the monthly, since we took out this swing low which made this higher high, there is a chance we are in a bearish trend. We are officially in a buy model once this high is taken out, but we need to see some indications that price is ready to go down. And this is a good indication that price is possibly, because there is a small imbalance here, but this imbalance is not in a, if I were bullish, I would like to see a imbalance in a discount, right? Not in a premium or above liquidity, above equilibrium. So this for me is not a valid imbalance for me. So we do have this first of all, this break of structure, right? And now we do have this bullish order block where we could potentially see a see some kind of reaction from, but we need to follow it to understand. So let's mark this daily bullish order block up, you know, because this could be a trigger point, and we can see this it's at equilibrium, right? Let's make it white. Daily bullish order block, and yeah, let's see if price could get some kind of rejection from it. Otherwise, if we were to break below, we could use it as some kind of resistance level, and this is just plain important level where price have rejected before going to this important levels, right? This is another level. Let's turn it orange too. Just key levels. Let's make the text white so we can see what's standing there. And yeah, so this is a daily key level, and on the H4 we are currently bearish, so this could be a good sell limit, or if you want to look for some sells, this is a good sell area. This is a very good sell area to look for some shorts from, to then possibly maybe, we'll see. Let's watch on the H8. We do have this bearish order block, which also could be triggered, but yeah. Okay, so that's Euro USD. Let's look at GU. Let's see the monthly candle. So the monthly here took out that weak high. So GU has always looked more bullish to me, and we need to understand where price could potentially want to go. We are very much bullish on the pound pairs, so pound is looking very strong compared to euro. So we do now have this swing high, swing low. And yeah, GU looks very bullish to me. There's no, it looks so much more bullish compared to Euro. The fact that this is our buy side liquidity. We do have some kind of SMT where we did take out this high. We made a higher high, but on the Euro we have made a lower high, so that could be seen as some kind of SMT. But we need to see and react to what we see. I like this weekly bullish order block at a discount. I really do like this one. We also have this weekly busy at a premium that I don't like as much, since we are looking for longs. We are bullish. So yeah, nothing crazy there. GU is looking very, very much bullish. We now have this break structure of this low, this swing low, break structure. From there we did retest, break structure, retest, close below. This was our high. $61, and then continuation. Very beautiful. We on the N30 we did not take out this buy side liquidity, but we came up to this level, key level, and then continuation. So for me now, GU should continue to go down. We feel this imbalance. We do have this H1 bearish order block, which has not been tested yet, but yeah. So GU for me is looking very much. Let's see how we respect this area. We are in this bullish order block, and you know how I like it. This one looks now as some kind of, this one looks like a double top, double bottom, so this one will be possibly liquidated. These equal lows. Yeah. And AU is also looking very bullish, very bullish. we did take out that high. Now we should get down to get up once again. Break a structure, close below, retest possibly. Took out this low, exploded up. I really like this level. I like to see this level. I like this bullish order block, this last down candle, which also left this daily busy at this daily level. So it's so much confluence here where price could just explode up. So much confluence. We are in an uptrend. We are currently in a buy program. Why? Because we did take out this sell side liquidity, and we have also taken out now the buy side liquidity with such a volume. We are leaving some imbalances where price could get back to, like some levels where price we want to get back to before eventually going up again, you know. So that's very good. I really like this. I really like this level at the daily time frame. Really like this level, daily bullish order block. So this is a very interesting area. So I could really see price get to this area, see some bullish momentum, and then keep going up. Okay. So that's that. Euro GBP. This one has melted us. I did not see this one coming, honestly. I did really not see this one coming. I saw this breaker structure. I saw this weekly level. We just plummeted right through. We had this weekly busy. This is not the weekly busy. We do have this weekly busy, this yellow area, where I really thought price would respect, and we do have this external liquidity. The reason why I thought that price would go up is because we have already liquidated this low. We've had this breaker structure, so theoretically price should not get to this area, but price could still reverse. It really could, but it has made a very deep retracement. Very deep retracement. So I'm still bullish on this, but I don't like the fact how far down we come. When we do come to this area so far down, it's high probability that price just maybe take out this low, maybe just wick out this low, and then it could go all the way up. But we need to understand what price wants to do. Currently on the H8, we do have this body. We have wicked 3 times. On the H4, we have changed our momentum from bearish to bullish. And now the final puzzle is, could we create maybe 2 or 3 bullish candles, then we could perhaps see some bullishness. Yeah. So from here we need to, if we can create 2 multiple like M30 candles, bullish candles, then we could see price gets higher up, because now we have liquidated this low. We have this break structure. So yeah. So we need to see where price would want to go. And let's get straight into our yeah, let's look at some JPY or Japanese pairs, because these pairs have been cooking me lately. I don't like the fact that price has not. So we are in a small range. We have external, and we have buy side and sell side. So this is maybe, we can see where we're just ranging on JPY. Euro, we are in a small, like, we need to see some kind of, I don't even know what these kind of patterns are called, small wedge or whatever. But I like to see price just either go up, go up, retest continuation, we break below. On the weekly, we are bullish on the weekly, but we still are inside this weekly CB. So this is a weekly CB on the, in a premium if we are looking for sells, which is more favorable. And this is another CB in a discount, which is not as favorable. Why? Because if we're looking for sales, we would like to look for sales from a discount. Sorry, from a premium, not a discount. And this is our break structure. Okay, so this is our break structure. Let's just look at the monthly. Monthly, we are bullish. We created this massive doji on the monthly, which is maybe a good reason to look for some longs. I don't know, but we need some more confirmation on lower time frame. So good trend. Now just the fact that for example Euro JPY, we did take out this swing low, but we didn't close below, and instead we had this bullish engulfing. So for me, this one looks bullish. our confirmation comes once. So this is our previous weekly high. And this is our previous weekly low, right? And currently we are in this downtrend. Maybe it's easier to see if we go down to the H4. This was the candle that broke below, and now we made a shift. So we are honestly in a there's a high chance that we could see some bullish yeah. I really like this H4 busy. So yeah, now I could see a rejection from here to come back to this area, and if we go down some time frames, let's look how it looks. We do have this bullish order block. Is there some kind of POI that we have not retested? Okay, so this is the weekly analysis. So as I said earlier, but this is a weekly CB in a discount, so it's not as favorable as maybe if we were up here. So there's a high chance that price could actually go up, in my opinion. So all of this really good. Okay, thank you and see you soon.